which is I'm absolutely against. Processing is not bad. I have repeatedly said it's all about adding value to the food products, not taking out the nutrient content out of those products. So yes, I mean this is on one sector we are fighting against this. We have formed a committee under my ministry. We have formed this committee where all the stakeholders concerning this sector, they are the part of this committee. We had the first meeting of this where they have given their suggestions that how we can counter this narrative about these misleading advertisements concerning food processing sector, and how we can promote this sector. But at the same time, when we promote this sector, we need to be absolutely sure that whatever that the consumer is having is secure, is safe. Food security comes with food safety as well, and my government is very clear when it comes to food safety, and is the reason why a regular talk with the regulatory body FSSAI is there, and whenever any such example, my ministry is not directly involved taking action on this, but then whenever any such information comes, maybe through my ministry or maybe any other way, whenever this information comes, we make sure that the authorized officers, they do go, they do check, and the required needed action is taken against that particular promoter, brand, whatever it is, if there is anything wrong that they have done with that food product. So yeah, that is something which is an ongoing process, and I mean I want to assure you on this that the government is very, very, very clear in this, that no relaxation when it comes to the safety of consumers, no relaxation will be given ever.
Thank you, sir. End of the press interaction. There will be, as Honourable Minister said, there will be many more opportunities to address questions regarding the World Food India event as well as the food processing sector. In view of the time constraints, I think we come to the end of the media interaction. Thank you, media friends, for your gracious presence.
Minister of Food Processing Industries, Government of India, Shri Avinash Joshi, Secretary, Ministry of Food Processing Industries, Shri Pradeep Singh Kharola, CMD, ITPO, Shri Asit Gopal, ASNFA, MOFPI, Shri D. Praveen, Joint Secretary MOFPI, Ms. Shamima Siddiqui, Additional Director General, PIB, all the distinguished guests, officials from the Ministry, FSSAI, ITPO and PIB, media representatives, partners and friends. It's indeed a privilege and honor for me on behalf of FICCI as the national event partner to extend our heartfelt gratitude as we conclude this curtain raiser for World Food India 2025. As the Honourable Minister did mention, food processing is a very strategic pillar of India's economy, and it significantly contributes to the agriculture value addition, enhancing the farmer income, supporting the job creation and all, strengthening the rural economy. And it does have a profound impact on the lives and communities across the country, and that's a very, very large significance that the sector really carries. MOFPI has in fact shown commendable commitment to strengthening this sector through very forward-looking initiatives such as PLI, etc., and many which you did mention, Honourable Minister and Secretary, in your speeches before me. World Food India, of course, has been spearheaded by the ministry and has become a marquee global platform showcasing India's food processing capabilities and investment potential. FICCI is indeed very proud, sir, to be associated as the national event partner with this landmark initiative for the third time in a row. And the event has enabled knowledge exchange, technology, partnerships, investment linkages, many answers that you have given in the press conference just before. I think all of those are the touch points which World Food India does achieve. The upcoming World Food India that's promised to be a larger platform. I think Honourable Minister and Secretary did talk about the size and scale that we are looking at this year compared to the other years. And we are very delighted again to have the Global Food Regulators Summit 2025 being organized once again by the FSSAI. This is on the 26-27 September, very much a part of the World Food India, where we will have meaningful dialogue amongst the global food regulators to strengthen food safety systems and regulatory frameworks. And one of the parts that you mentioned, sir, that one day we could also be setting standards for the world, and these are the platforms where we really bring, such strength of our country forward. The Seafood Exporters Association of India will also host the 24th edition of the India International Seafood Show in Delhi during the World Food India itself, which is to bring all the stakeholders in this particular segment across the value chain together. And this will also open doors for a lot of small and medium enterprises to connect with innovators and thought leaders in this very pivotal sector. A high-level ministerial roundtable will definitely be bringing in a lot of business luminaries as well. To sum up, the World Food India, under the visionary leadership of our Honourable Minister, embodies a whole of government approach and seeks to unlock new opportunities for investment, innovation and farmer prosperity, paving the way for a very vibrant and sustainable food processing sector in India. I sincerely thank you, Honourable Minister, for your gracious presence and inspiring vision. So your address has indeed set the tone for this mega initiative which is coming forward, and there is a lot of hope with the sector, as you said, to kind of make it global and make it even stronger as we go forward. Grateful to Shri Avinash Joshi, Secretary MOFPI, so for your continued guidance and leadership. Our appreciation to the CMD ITPO for being the co-organizer and the partner, to FSSAI for supporting as a regulatory partner, EVA as a knowledge partner. And on behalf of ICI, I reaffirm our commitment to partnering with Ministry and all the stakeholders to make this initiative a very grand success. And finally, my heartfelt thanks to all the media representatives and the PIB officials who are present here today. Together, we shall make the World Food India 2025 a milestone in India's journey to becoming the global leader in the food processing sector, just as you aspired, sir, in your speech. Thank you.